This video is the continuation of the lesson for class 8 for the subject of chemistry, topic air pollution, which is covered in chapter 8 atmospheric pollution and is being submitted to you on 5th July 2021. So let us discuss the topic air pollution. Degradation of air quality due to concentration of harmful contaminants that affects human, plant and animal lives are called air pollution. Air pollution is caused due to the presence of gaseous pollutants like oxides of sulfur, nitrogen, carbon, hydrocarbons and particulate pollutants like dust, smoke, mist, spray and fumes. If composition of air is altered, it affects not only human life but also animal and plant life, and the atmosphere is then said to be polluted. Students, you may observe gaseous components of ordinary dry air which is non-polluted by table 8.1 given on page number 129 of your chemistry notebook. Now we will discuss the topic gaseous pollutants and their effects. So number 1 is sulfur dioxide affects yield of crops and causes damage to lungs. Number 2, hydrogen sulfide gas reduces growth of crops and causes irritation to human eyes. Number 3, fluorides cause destruction of vegetation and affects teeth and bones. Number 4, nitrogen oxides cause death of many plants and are suspected to cause cancer. Number 5, carbon monoxide prevents hemoglobin, which is a blood, which is present in blood, from carrying oxygen to different parts of the body. Number 6, tobacco smoke causes lung cancer. Number 7, lead which enters air from motor vehicles using tetraethyl lead impairs the body's metabolic activities. And the last point, which is the 8th, cotton dust produces lung fibrosis and smoke particulates cause asthma and other lung diseases. Now we will discuss the next term or next topic, which is smog, which is very important. So students, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur and of partially oxidized hydrocarbons and their derivatives produced by industries and automobiles forms a dark, thick dust and soot-laden fog and is known as smog. Smog is noxious and irritating. It reduces visibility, induces respiratory troubles, and can cause death by suffocation. The other main pollutants together contribute to more than 90% of global air pollution, and they are as follows. Number 1, nitrogen oxide, which is N2O, NO and NO2. Number 2, hydrocarbons, mainly methane, CH4. Number 3, sulfur oxide, which is SO2 and SO3. Number 4, hydrogen sulfide, which is H2S. Number 5, carbon monoxide, which is CO. Number 6, particulates, small solid particles and liquid droplets. Next, we will discuss the topic oxides of nitrogen as air pollutant. So, oxides of nitrogen as air pollutants. Two gases, nitric oxide, which is NO, and nitrogen dioxide, which is NO2, enter the atmosphere in the following ways. Number 1, in furnaces, burning of fuels increases temperature. On combining two gases present in air, which is nitrogen and oxygen, form oxides of nitrogen at high temperature. Number 2, oxides of nitrogen are produced when fuel burns in an internal combustion engine and they enter the atmosphere as exhaust gases from automobile engines. Number 3, nitric oxide is formed by the reaction between atmospheric nitrogen and oxygen in the presence of electric discharge, which happens during thunderstorms when there is lightning. During lightning, the nitrogen present in air react with oxygen and will become nitrogen oxide. And nitric oxide further react with atmospheric oxygen, which is NO2, and ozone O3 to form nitrogen dioxide. Students, you may observe the harmful effects of oxides of nitrogen by page number 130 of your chemistry notebook. Now I will give you 3 very short questions. You will get a 3 minutes break to write the answers. So the question number 1 is, the main source of carbon monoxide and methane is dash, which is a fill in the blank in rural areas. Question number 2, name 2 gases which causes air pollution. And the last question number 3 is, name the gaseous pollutant which produces lung fibrosis. Students, now pause this audio for 3 minutes and write the answers in your chemistry notebook. I hope you all have written the answers by now. Let us check the answers now. So the answer number 1 is decay of crop residue. Answer number 2, oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. And the last answer number 3 is cotton dust. Now I am ending with this session by giving instructions and homework. So instructions and homework are, you all are required to listen the audio again and revise all the topics covered in today's session. Do questions 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 8A of your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.